Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up IMOU Camera step by step. This model, a Ranger 2, it comes with 3K resolution with 5 megapixel picture quality. And here is the QR code to install application, and it works with Amazon Alexa too. This camera works 360-degree with pan and tilt. It comes with one power adapter, along with charge and cable and wall mount screws and installation sticker too. And you can easily wall mount on the bottom of the camera on of your top of your ceiling. Let's plug the adapter to the power, and here is the charging point. Once connected to the power source, the red light turns to the green. It means the camera is in the setup mode. If not in the green, we can reset it by the way. Here is the reset button. Hold this button for 3 seconds to reset, and here is the memory card support. You can record the video for 22 days. Now the camera is in the setup mode. As you can see, the green light is flashing. Using this QR code, you can install the application. Once the installation is completed, turn open and tap continue, and the first time if you are using, choose sign up option and choose the country, and enter your email and create a new password too. And once it completed, accept the terms and condition on the bottom and tap next, and agree and continue. And you will get a one-time password verification on your email. Enter the OTP here and tap next. Choose a standard and tap next. Standard, done, and tap later, and choose the plus icon on the top right of the screen and tap scan QR code. Now you can see the QR code on the bottom of the camera. Just scan from your mobile. Kindly reconfirm the light is flashing green and tap the check mark and tap next. Now I have the 5G router in my hand. As you can see, the dual band frequency. Now I am going to choose the first one, which is support 2.4 GHz. This camera only supports 2.4 GHz band frequency only. Choose your Wi-Fi and enter the password and tap next and tap join. Now the camera is going to be connected on your Wi-Fi network. It takes few minutes process. Once it completed, it connected to your Wi-Fi. Here you can see the device has been added successfully. And here you can give the name of the camera and you can customize it too. Skip this process on the top right of the corner. And tap OK. And tap later. Here you can see the camera has been successfully configured to your Wi-Fi network. And here we can pan and tilt the camera settings. In this setting, you can update your camera here. In this detection settings, you can enable human detection or smart tracking. Now I am going to enable the smart tracking. Here is the changes now you are going to see. When the object is moving, the camera is tracking towards you. On the bottom of your settings, tap delete to permanently delete the camera from your application. Thank you for watching Gulf Tech channel.